In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a daily journal in Evernote. Evernote provides a convenient feature that automatically creates a daily note for you, but there may come a time when you no longer need this function. Perhaps you found a different journaling system that suits your daily routine better, or maybe you simply want to reduce the number of notes you have to manage each day. Whatever your reason, it's an easy process to disable this feature, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps. Let's start by opening Evernote. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, in the top navigation bar, you'll see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on this icon to continue. This will take you to the Settings menu, where you'll see several options listed. Here you want to select Preferences. Once inside the Preferences section, there's a subsection you need to navigate to, labeled Templates. Under this Templates subsection is where you'll find the setting called Automatically Create a Note Each Day. This is the option that's responsible for generating those daily notes. On your sidebar, you should notice that this setting is currently checked, which means it's enabled. To stop Evernote from auto-generating those daily notes, what you'll need to do is simply click on the checkbox to uncheck it. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the automatic creation of daily notes in Evernote. From now on, Evernote will no longer bombard you with a new daily entry each day unless you decide to turn this feature back on in the future. There's no need to worry about any existing daily notes that have already been created. These notes will remain in your notebook unaffected. You won't lose any data by toggling this setting off. If you want to clean them up or organize them differently, you can manually move or delete those as needed. An important tip to keep in mind is, if shuffling between different journaling systems, Evernote's flexibility allows you to experiment and find the right balance without the commitment to any one method forever. If you decide you miss those automatically generated notes, you can always revisit these same simple steps to switch the feature back on. And there you have it. You've learned how to manage your automatic daily journals in Evernote, allowing you to tailor your note-taking experience to your own preferences. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and guides on making the most out of your Evernote experience.